Right, I'm going to start videoing this. Welcome to a video of my abandoned project car. There it is. Can you guess what engine that is? Anyhow, I've been doing this for a long time. Just don't ever have time to get down and crack on when I finish it or do anything else to it. It's been down here for a long time, but yeah. So today my plan is to fit the clutch pipe, because this was an automatic car. It's going to be converted to a manual, so the pedal box is now on already. Didn't video that, but today I'm going to fit the clutch pipe that goes from the clutch pedal, the reservoir, the clutch pedal, down to the gearbox. That's going to be a mission. Yeah, so my first is gonna, when you start, you took this all off to get to it. So I'll undo all this, take all this off, and then take as much off as I need to really, and fit this pipe. Not done this before, so I'm gonna see how it goes. So let's get cracking to it then, shall we? Right, let's do this, take this off, that one, then that one. Reasonable impact, but the battery's dead. You don't need to take them off, and then see what else is this hooking on in there. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna crack on and get it done and show you guys what after. Now I'm gonna take off, undo those screws. Let's see if this, I'll get behind here, because I need to remove all this. So I'm going to crack on, done that, I've done them, took them out, that's loose, but it's still on there. So now that's taken out, there's quite a few screws all around it. So now I'm going to have to unplug all this. It might be easier to unplug it from, maybe not. I was going to think unplugging it from that side, but no, I'm going to unplug it from there and there, feed the wire out for there, move it out the way so I can access down here. It's a bit of a ball ache doing this, but yeah, it has to be done. So gonna get back to it and come back in a minute. So this is a right ball ache. I managed to get I've whipped up all the carpet, because I don't really want that anyway, because it's going to be a track car. But yeah, I'll show you what I've done. So this is how far I've got so far. So there's a clutch pipe, goes in there, and if you look up there in the corner, there's the original where it clips into, by the looks of it. I'm guessing that's what it is anyway. I didn't put that there, but there's like a little hook on there, like one of those clips, the pipe clips into it. So yeah, not sure if it goes, well, it's got to go that way, because what's that clip for, I don't know, but looks like that's where it's supposed to go, over the wires, goes into there, and I'll show you on the other side. So this is the other side. Cool. Getting blinded by the light. This is the other side. Over the wires there. See that little plastic again on this side, like I showed you on the other side. It looks like that pipe clips into there. So yeah, it definitely goes over the wires. I wasn't too sure if it goes under the wires. I tried to put it under the wires, it was a bloody nightmare. So I'll try to put it on top of the wires, and when I find out there's these little clips where the pipe clip into. So yeah, it definitely goes over the wires. And then it goes up into there, into the clutch. Master cylinder, slave cylinder, yeah, in there anyway. Well, that bit's called, I forgot. Slave cylinder. But, anyway, yeah, clips into that, goes all around there, over the wires, clips into those, which I'll get to those in a minute. And then yeah, it's nearly done. As you can tell, I getting that bit of carpet out, which was like tucked in there, it was an absolute nightmare. What I done here, I just sliced a blade going away down the corner. I tucked that back up in. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect. It's going to be a track car. I'll probably end up whipping all the carpet out eventually at some point. And then yeah, goes that bit there, bit of carpet which goes underneath that, like down in there. That was a nightmare to get out, absolute nightmare. But yeah, got there in the end. Now just going to get under the gearbox. Well, finish putting this back together, and then I'll put that little rubber hose on under the car, and then to the gearbox. And yeah, I done it. Here you go. Look at that, proper job. That's clipped in there nicely there, look. It goes over the wires there. There's a clip. Right, it clips into that. Where's my finger? Oh, there you go. It clips into that thing there, that plastic. And let me show on the other side. By the way, carpet, which is wedged in there and in there, underneath all that, that was an absolute, but yeah. And then it comes round here, look, I'll show you. Let me get the light, let me get your light, shall I say? Bright light. And then look at that. There's another clip. Where it clips into there. They're original. I didn't put them on. They're original. That's where they're supposed to go. Obviously, they already kept that because they don't bother changing them for automatic. They don't take them out. But yeah, that's where it goes to. In that little hole. And now I've got to get under there. Well, I put the rubber hose, what comes out from the firewall, from that grommet under the passenger side in the footrail. Yeah, the rubber hose connects to that, to the gearbox, to the slave cylinder, that's the slave cylinder, gearbox, clutch, slave cylinder. And it's spring loaded, so that's a nightmare to put on. Put one nut on, now I need another nut, and I mean, look at it. Look at this abandoned project car. It's been there for 4 years now, I think. 4th year this year. This year will be the 4th year. It's been going on like this. I need to hurry up, I need to get my ass in gear, get it done. This is the carpet I had to rip out. But yeah, where's that? I need a nut. I swear I had one somewhere. There it is. This will do. Right, okay, get on to do it. that's it then. The clutch pipe is now fitted. That's one thing ticked off. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna do loads of different videos on this project car. Every time I come down here, I'm gonna do a video of whatever I'm doing. Like today, for example, I was fitting the clutch pipe, and next time I'll fit the new steering wheel, fit the new bonnet, fit the new, you know, example like that. I'm gonna do the video. I'm gonna vlog the whole thing until I finish it. So subscribe if you wanna know what's gonna happen. So yeah. So please subscribe, it would mean a lot. It keep me motivated, and not only you won't miss it, you won't miss the next video of this beast. So I mean, look at it. Need some new wheels, M3 rings, over fenders. I've got a carbon fibre bonnet to go on. I need to get an M3 bumper. I've got a carbon fibre boot to go on the back. I'm going to wrap it, give it a go. So yeah, cheers for watching. See you in the next one. I don't want water coming up in, so I'm going to silicone that. But yeah, that's on. And it's on the inside as well. So all I need to do now is put this on there like that, but obviously cut that, put this on there with a GBD clip, and then bleed it. Then that's done. Then I can put the rest of this bits on: the crank pulley, the casing, the timing cover, the crank pulley, the water pump pulley, get an alternator, and the belt. And put the I can put the crash bar on. I can go now really.